YouTube have no any options to recover deleted videos. Here I will share the easy solution on how to recover deleted YouTube videos. First, free download, install and launch the Mac Data Recovery software, System Data Recovery. And here I need to delete the local video and empty the trash. As we need to recover deleted YouTube video, here choose Media, then you should click Setting button and select the video you want to recovery. It would help you save the scan time. Now start scan. The deep scanning would take a little bit of time, don't worry, wait patiently. Step 2, preview and select out the YouTube videos you want to recover. After the deep scan, you can preview the deep scan results with 3 ways of display. Step 3. Start recovering deleted YouTube videos. Now let's check the folders to see if it is successful, and check the video storage path for you to find easily. Now, we go to next step, recover your deleted YouTube videos. You can see, you just need follow these 3 steps. Try to recover your video now. Thanks for watching.